Strong winds and intense rainfall will arrive in waves from Tuesday night through Thursday. Significant snowfall is anticipated to accumulate in the Sierra on Wednesday. Northern California will experience a respite from the wet conditions on Tuesday. However, a formidable storm is forecasted to bring multiple instances of potentially damaging winds, heavy rainfall, and substantial snowfall to the area from Tuesday night through Thursday. This follows reports of 6 to 11 inches of rain recorded in certain areas of the foothills and Sierra since Saturday. The KCRA-3 weather team has declared alert days for Wednesday and Thursday, which are designated to highlight conditions that may pose risks to public safety. Friday is predicted to be an impact day, with showers and mountain snow likely leading to travel disruptions, although winds are expected to be less intense. Governor Gavin Newsom announced on Sunday night that emergency response teams and resources are being dispatched to 9 counties to mitigate flooding and severe weather impacts. KCRA-3 contacted the governor's office to ascertain which counties are affected. The response indicated that El Dorado, Orange, Lake, Marin, Mendocino, Colusa, Glenn, Plumas, and Nevada counties will receive additional equipment and personnel. The initial wave of strong winds and heavy rain is projected to traverse the region between 10 p.m. Tuesday and 4 a.m. Wednesday. Wind gusts ranging from 40 to 60 miles per hour may result in tree damage across the valley and foothills. There is also a possibility of scattered power outages leading into Christmas Eve day. The National Weather Service has issued a high wind watch for the coastal hills, valley, and foothills, effective from 7 p.m. Tuesday until 4 a.m. Wednesday. Short bursts of heavy rain will accompany the winds overnight. Most of Wednesday's daylight hours are expected to be calmer, with scattered showers in the valley and more consistent rain in the foothills. A subsequent wave of strong winds and heavy rain is anticipated from Wednesday night into Thursday morning. The Sacramento Valley may receive an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain by Friday. News Lookout. We bring global news in real time. Please subscribe to the channel.